How to fix low FPS issues in Warzone Season 1. Here are some tips that would help you fix low FPS issues in Warzone Season 1. 1. Google and try best Warzone in-game settings, such as ray tracing. 2. Rollback NVIDIA drivers. Refer to the following IMG. Plan B, remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, current GeForce drivers, then reinstall the latest one as admin, later. 3. Set the render worker count in the ADV_options file, which should be located in the players folder, to equal your number of CPU cores. 4. Google other tips re-improve. FPS in Warzone Season 1.